How to update your YouTube TV payment information. If you need to update your payment method on YouTube TV, follow the steps below based on whether you're using a computer or the mobile app. 1. Update payment information on the website computer. Steps. Sign into YouTube TV. Go to the YouTube TV website and sign in using your Google account linked to your YouTube TV subscription. Go to Settings. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Open Billing section. In the Settings menu, select Billing or Payment Method under the Membership section. Update Payment Method. Click on Edit Payment Method. You can now update your credit card information or add a new payment method. Save changes. After entering your new payment details, click Save to confirm the update. 2. Update payment information on the mobile app, iOS/Android. Steps. Open the YouTube TV app. Open the YouTube TV app on your mobile device. Go to Settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the menu. Open Billing section. Tap on Billing or Payment Method under the Membership section. Update Payment Method. Tap Edit Payment Method to update your payment details and enter your new payment information. Confirm and save. Confirm your new payment method and tap Save to apply the changes. 3. What to keep in mind. Payment method options. YouTube TV accepts credit and debit cards, as well as PayPal, depending on your location. Billing cycle. Make sure to update your payment method before your next billing cycle to avoid interruptions in service. Family sharing. If you share your YouTube TV account with others, your updated payment details will apply to the entire family group. By following these steps, you can easily update your YouTube TV payment information and ensure uninterrupted service.